What's going on, creatives? Wanye Films here with a new tutorial. Today I'm going to be going over my color grading process, show you step by step on how I color grade. So first, what you're going to want to do is take your clip and drag it on over into the timeline. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unlink the audio and just get rid of it. Then I'm going to go up to File, go to New, and then hit Adjustment Layer. Drag the adjustment layer over your clip. Drag it out. And now you're ready to go on up to color. When you click color, it's going to bring you over to elementary color. You're going to want to go over to creative. When you go there, you go over to look, browse. Then you go over to the file that you go over to the folder, and you pick a LUT. A LUT is a lookup table, by the way, if you didn't know. And I'm just gonna go into this folder right here and grab this LUT for the time being. And as you see, the LUT came on very strong. So what you're gonna want to do is it's gonna do that, by the way. Just all you have to do is decrease the intensity. See how that changed up? So if you can go see when you bring it down, this is what it looks like without the LUT. So yeah, put that LUT back on. I think it looks a lot better just adding the LUT. Alright, then what you're gonna do is go up to basic correction, and then start color correcting. Maybe put some contrast on, boost the shadows, maybe bring the shadows down. It's all preference, and you get better as time goes by. So just do what you can, and boost the saturation if you want. Then you could add like a faded film to it if you want to give it that film look. And sharpen it. Pretty neat. Go down to the curves. Just play with it. You'll get it where you want it. Bring the mid-tones up. I like how it looks right there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. When I first took on color grading, I had the hardest time, I just kept watching videos and over trying to figure it out, and this is the easiest way I can explain it. I hope it gets through to you. Gonna go ahead and render it, and then we're gonna check it out afterwards. Yeah, that's how it looks now. Not too bad, right? That's pretty much it. If you like the video, go ahead, give me a like. As always, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll catch you on the next video.